Thank you very much.
Your Holiness, no, for the candle stand.
Yes, thank you.
It's very specially made from my country.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is your most favorite subject, climate. What type of initiative I have taken in my country? I have given a detailed account.
Questo per lei, questo è un medaglio fatto qui in Vaticano. Vaticano specially बनाया गया है आपके लिए.
Wow.
Si dice l'abbondanza, il grano, l'uva,
Wow.
tutto. E si dice il deserto, traduci tu, il deserto diventerà un giardino. अंगूर है उससे भर जाएगा.
Wow.
Peace. I have seen for you today.
Oh. That's it.
And you pray for me. Pray for me.
I'll always remember. I'll be happy to receive you.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's a great honor.
Thank you very much for your visit. I'm happy.
It's an honor for me.
Very happy.
And I would like to see you in India.
Yes.
It is my God honor to receive you there.
Yes. Thank you very much. And pray for me, don't forget. I talk to you.
Your prayers are always giving me strength.